Slide 21, Lesson 1, Verb Roots. Hebrew words are derived from a basic verb or doing word called a root composed of 3 letters. This is quite unlike English. Again, a verb is a doing word, and I don't mean to throw people with these technical terms, but this is a word that you'll get to know quite well on this course. A verb is a doing word. For example, running, or when I ran, or mailing, or eating, or I ate. It's a verb, it's something that you do. When Yahweh created the heavens and the earth, created, that's a verb, a doing word. Here's an example of a 3-letter root, davar, davar, dalet, bait, resh, or vait, could say vait, davar, because it's a v sound. It's a letter bait, but it's a soft bait, so it's vait. It's a 3-letter verb root. And davar means word. And it comes from the idea of setting things in order. Other letters can be added to the basic verb root, 3-letter verb root, and you'll see this on every sentence and every word almost. There will be letters added to the front and the back and sometimes in the middle that will change its meaning slightly, either from the past tense or future tense, or he said or she said, they said, changing the pronouns, and so forth. So we see something very similar in English. For example, we may have a basic a verb, for example, SNG for sing. We put an I in there, S-I-N-G, sing. But I can change it slightly by putting an O in there, and it becomes song. Or I can change it again and put a U in there, and I can say sung. Or I can change it again and put a in there, and it can be sang. So the meaning changes slightly by different vowels I put in. Also in Hebrew you can change the meaning of the word by putting different vowels, or sometimes consonants are added to it. But generally most words in Hebrew are derived from a basic 3-letter verb root. And here, davar, which means word, is changed to yadabru. Yadabru. Now again, if you're looking at this video and you haven't learnt the Hebrew Hebrew letters, then I would encourage you to do that. Otherwise, the rest of this lesson is not going to make a lot of sense. You're going to be struggling. So don't feel bad if you have to spend 2 or 3 weeks or however long it takes to learn the letters and the vowels, these little dots and dashes. These are vowels and other things that change the sound of the word. So you need to learn the vowels of the previous slide, and you need to learn the letters of the previous half of lesson 1. Again, you can print these lessons out. You need to look at the the DVD, and you'll find a folder with the lesson in there as a PDF file, and you can print pages you want out from there.